हेलो चिल्ड्रन। आज हम पढ़ेंगे स्टोरी बुक द अगली डकलिंग। इट वॉज द ब्यूटिफुल समर. अ डक वॉज हैचिंग हर eggs. The duck was puzzled to see that one of the ducklings was not similar to the other ducklings and was very ugly. Thus the ugly duckling hatched out from the egg. As the ugly duckling was quite different in shape and size in comparison with the other ducklings started to tease him. As the ugly duckling was so different from the rest, even the hens were puzzled to see him, so they teased him simultaneously. The ugly duckling felt dejected, sad, and alone. He went away from the hens and chicks to avoid further humiliation. Suddenly, the ugly duckling found himself surrounded by the geese and their goslings. They all started at him with surprise and did not accept him. Again, the ugly ducklings found himself alone and stayed in a field. He pondered why he was without companions. One day, some hunters come to hunt with hounds, and poor ducklings hid himself in the field of sugarcane to escape from the hunters. The hunters saw the birds flying in the sky. They killed a few of them. As the ugly duckling had hidden himself, the hunters could not kill him. Luckily, he was quite safe. After some time, a farmer, alone with his family, visited his field. He saw the ugly duckling and gave shelters to him. The ugly duckling spent some time at the farmer's house. As the farmer's children were naughty, they began to tease him, so the ducklings ran away from there as well. One day he saw some swans flying up in the sky. He wished he could also fly like them. So fair, the ugly duckling was without friends. Moreover, he found himself in danger at times, so he was very sad and lonely. Each day was a test for the ugly ducklings. Soon winter came and it became colder and colder. These days were very miserable for him. He wished the end of the winter season soon. At last, fortune forwards the ugly ducklings. The summer season came. He saw some swans in the pond which were friendly towards him. Now the ugly ducklings had grown in the size. He wanted to swim and float like others. When he got into the water, he saw his own image in the water. To his great surprise, he felt a swan within him. Of course, he was a swan. The ugly ducklings was no more ugly, but he had grown into a beautiful swan. Now he was not alone, but he had a number of companions. He floated. He floated his beautiful wings and flew away with his companions. That's nice story. All read with him. Okay, childrens. Bye.